Poor baby. Go wash your wifey in the ocean. Hold on. Go wash your wifey in the ocean.
I can feel my pimple patch coming off.
Oh my god. Hi. Roy said, I'll vlog, and I was like, I don't want content like this.
No, that's the best content. Look
You
at
okay? You need some air after puking twice all over yourself.
The second time was the worst.
Why? What happened?
It was all, I had nothing to catch it with. So like it went all over her body.
Rice and everything. I was like, oh my god.
Thanks for the visual. I'm shivering. You're shivering? I should have brought the hand sanitizer.
I have some inside my purse.
I was
The what?
and that's where we are.
You guys gave us?
Oh yeah.
I should have brought it. Then I can
Oh, it's so windy.
just hand sanitize her whole body so the smell goes away.
What the hell?
I know. Your mom's hands just smell like puke. Oh,
Ew.
your puke, baby.
Your hair is going back.
Move in. I can't see the hole.
I can see the blowhole.
We're here. Bring in your babes. Oh, maybe that's what you meant. Guess where we are. It's gonna be cold, baby. Sorry. Oh no, cold. My camera's gonna fly away. My camera's gonna fly away.
Discovered like
Bodies down
Okay,
there.
here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go. Maher. Our picture. Ta-da! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Is it your first time here too, Ian? I guess. You guess?
Are you not cold?
I'm fine.
Oh, me too then. Suddenly everyone is good.
Ew! I was almost gonna walk behind you, you disgusting.
something went in my mouth.
A bug flew in his mouth.
Bug?
Let's go down there.
Okay, you go down there. I'll look at you from up here. Dang it. You okay? Are you okay? She's scared. She's scared. You scared? It's okay. It's okay. She's scared. It's okay. Scary?
Your turn.
Scary? Scary? Oh, look at Royce's jacket. That's crazy. Oh, I see what went in your mouth. There's a lot of bugs. Okay, let's go back there. There's bugs in your hair. We finally get to look in here. Should I get something? My poor baby. You okay? She vomited for a third time in the car. Oh my god. I think it's a sign that I need to go home. Because she keeps vomiting. And like, we still have like a long way. I'll just be like, Brandon, you gotta come get us because she's gonna keep vomiting. Oh, look at the fat cats on the bottom of Bonnie. So cute. She likes stuff like this. She likes stuff like this.
Here, you want to buy one?
I'm okay. Thank you so much. Yeah. Look, Isla's watching you. Okay, go.
Over here, over here.
Okay, go. Look, Isla. One more to the side again.
You gotta go now. They like ate it and then drank water.
He didn't drink water.
Alright, we're going here, my friend. Isla, where are we? Hello. You okay? Are you okay? Say hi. Fly kiss. Hello, fly kiss. Look, the bird. The bird. Fly kiss. Is that a turtle? What is that? Oh, just kidding. What are you feeding? Oh. I was like, what is Ian feeding? No, the fish.
Look, there's a black one right there.
Oh, feed the bird. I want to feed the bird. Catfish.
Oh, it is a catfish.
Catfish. They also filmed Lost here.
They just lost everywhere. How about these fish? Are they hungry? Are you hungry?
Hi, Ella. Hi, Kiss. Hi. Hi. Hi, Kiss. Yeah. What? Bye, Swan. What, Ian? You feeding pigeons again? Ian, stop feeding the pigeons. Oh.
They're all coming.
When a Leo tries to feed the birds and fish.
Oi. Remind him, Brady. The fish could fucking have it. You don't do that.
What a boy Leo right there.
The fish could have his ass.
Okay, I know. Okay, okay. Move. All those birds. And for what?
You cannot move. They're following Ian. What the heck?
They're following Ian. Oh. Well, there, they're doing it. No, baby. Hi. Say hi, birdies.
Wait, let me take a picture.
Ian, the bird caller. Look, all the birds are flying down from the trees.
Oh my god, Ian. What is happening?
Right.
What the hell? What? This is crazy.
Royce is pissed.
Go feed the bird.
Royce is like, I have so much fucking food for you.
Eat.
Eat right now. Right here.
I'm scared.
See, why'd you pull your hand away?
Royce, you ruined it. Why are you scared?
This motherfucking Leo.
I don't like when it touches my hand. You eat it, you don't step on my hand. Don't step on my damn
You
hand.
have to be a bird feeder.
Don't step on my hand.
You a bird feeder. They have to step on top of you.
It went onto my hand.
Dinosaur claw.
I didn't like that.
Nah.
I don't know how you guys are like okay with that.
That's all I have.
You know, I keep the food for myself then. You know what?
He's so mad. Well, why did you move your hand away?
Because it grabbed me.
Picture.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I have 4.
Oh my god, I have to. I want the temple in the background. Where are you going? And Isla turns back.
Bruh, Isla. I'm trying to get that shot here. I can't believe this. Oh, there's something on my leg. What the? Isla.
Go. Say hi. Oh, I knew she was gonna step on that rock. You wanna go there? Okay, no, not there.
All right, Ian.
not gonna let it go. It didn't even reach. Yay! Okay, Ian, relax.
She's like, whoa, what was that noise?